Long ago, in the magical land of Elyria, light and nature lived in harmony. In the quiet village of Riverwood, a young dreamer gazed beyond his fields every morning.
I feel like the real adventure is out there, beyond these mountains. If there's an adventure out there, my inventions will be ready for it. When I'm here, nobody's gotta be scared. The forest never lies. I sense a change in the air.
Do you feel it? Today feels different.
Maybe we're on the brink of something new. As long as there's food along the way, I'm happy. The air is changing.
That night, a mysterious light fell from the sky. A star destined to change everything.
The light must have landed somewhere up ahead.
Stay close. This place feels strange.
Whatever it is, we'll face it together.
Quiet. I sense something watching us.
Wow, I've never seen anything like this.
This is no ordinary stone.
I feel like our lives won't ever be the same.
Our true journey begins here.
Why does this feel so familiar?
Kai! Step back! It's choosing you.
Tell me we're not going down there.
We have to. This place has been hidden for centuries.
I've never seen anything like this.
These are the ancient guardians. They're incredible.
Thousands of years ago, 7 guardians sacrificed everything to imprison the darkness forever.
Welcome, last guardian.
Who are you? The darkness is returning. There must be some mistake. There is no mistake.
At last, my prison weakens. Bring me the heart of eternity. Every guardian must choose.
I don't know if I'm ready.
You already are. I'll protect Elyria, no matter the cost.
Your journey begins now, and with that promise, the last guardian was born. Remember, courage is stronger than fear. We'll come back, I promise.
And hopefully with some incredible discoveries.
This place gives me goosebumps.
The forest remembers every traveler. It feels like someone's watching us. Who dares enter the sacred forest? We seek the 7 guardian relics. We come in peace.
Only those who trust each other may pass.
We stay together. No one gets left behind.
This is the first guardian relic.
It's beautiful. And with the first relic safely in their hands, the heroes took one step closer to saving Elyria. Something's wrong. The forest is warning us. We need to move, now!
Destroy the guardian!
Destroy the guardian!
Finally, some action!
Stay together!
Don't let them surround us!
Incoming! Shield!
That all you've got? What is happening to me?
The guardian mark. It wasn't there before.
So, the last guardian has finally appeared. Ha! Bring him to me. Far beyond the mountains, darkness had found its new target.